Some PDFs are encrypted with a password, which you'll need to enter each time you want to view the document. You can remove the password to save yourself some inconvenience if you're keeping the PDF in a secure location. This method assumes you know the password to the encrypted PDF file. Unfortunately, there's no easy way to remove a password if you don't know it. This may seem a little silly, but you can easily and conveniently remove the password from a PDF file by opening it and printing it to a new PDF. Your system will create a duplicate copy of the PDF, and that duplicate copy won't have a password. Here it's the PDF that is protected with password. Let's open it. In this second text document is the password. Now to remove the password. First right-click on PDF file and open with Google Chrome. Now enter the password. Use the Print option in Chrome to print the password-protected PDF file to a PDF. This is the most important step when you are trying to learn how to remove a password from PDF files without software. You can save the PDF file without password protection using the Save button. Now as you can see, we removed the password.